Now in this question again we have to find the final output for the given circuit. That what will be the output obtained by this logic circuit if we pass the total number of combination for the two variable. So if there are two variable, now you all must know that we have to pass how many combinations? 4 combination. So starting from the first one 0 0, as you can see the 0 0, that means 0 0 passing from OR, it would be 0 then negation 1. Here also 0 returning 0 here, negation 1, and 1 1 passing from OR, it would be 1 negation 0. Again 0 is divided into two part, that is 0 0 passing from OR, it would be 0 and the final result will be 1. So it would be 1 like this. Now we have to take again the values for the second combination. 0 0, here the 0 will be divided in two part, we have to pass two zeros from here, it would be 0 negation 1. Similarly in this one 1 1, or value return will be 1 and then negation 0 0 0 passing from OR, it would be 1 1 negation 0. Again 0 0 passing from this one, 0 negation 1, so it would be 1. Now we have to take similarly for the third one. As you can see, the third one, the combination is same, only the order is reversed. Here it is 1 0, here it is 1 0. So whatever result we are getting for this combination, we will get the same result for the this combination. So leave this one, we are coming on this one, the last one. The 1 will be divided into two part, we are sending 1 1, 1 1 will be 1 from OR gate, negation 0. Similarly here also 1 1, it would be 1 negation 0. 0 0 passing from OR, 0 negation 1. Again we have to pass 1 1 1 negation 0, so it would be 0. Now you have to check that which logic circuit is this. This is a logic circuit for which gate? This is a logic circuit for the NAND gate, and these are the final result. If you ask for it is a implementation of which gate, that it is a implementation of NAND gate, but the question was what will be the final result obtained from this circuit. So you have to write the final result obtained from this circuit is this. Okay, so you can answer both the things from this one, the final obtained result and the implementation of gate, which is NAND, because NAND is what? Opposite of AND, and as you can see these are the results which are just opposite of the AND truth table.